Alright, y'all. We're gonna be testing the tactiles. I have it showing up on the screen. Alright. We got T1, Mint Panda, or Mint Holy Panda, Moyu Black, Boba U4T, Holy Boba, Kangaroo Ink, Drop HPR1 Mode Signal, and the Pewter. I like the Pewter over the Mode Signal because it pops more. Let me do a vote. We're gonna pick our top 3 right now. So vote for your number 1 and we'll see what the top 3 is for all of us. Well, we'll do 2. We're gonna have to do 2. I love them Holy Bobas though. Dude, Boba's just goated, dude. T1's old news. Holy Boba, U4T, and the I spelled that wrong. Moyu Black. Alright. I would agree with those choices. So we need to vote on the next 4, which are start with the Kangaroo Ink, right? Yeah, I might grasp on the U4T because I think the U4T are good enough where you don't need the Halo True Stem because it is expensive to do the Halo True Stem into an already expensive Switch. Yeah, we got Pewters. That's what I like to see. I love them Pewters. Only got 1 for everything else. Are we just dropping all of them? Damn, dude. Oh, we got 2 for Mode Signal. And we're trying to be objective here. All right, we're gonna do. We'll have the we'll pull in the Mode Signal with us, so we have the 5. Now we're gonna do a single slot. Alright, y'all, it's time to pick. Ooh, it's gonna be a rough one. I know my pick. Boba U4T is the winner. Second place going to the Pewters, but the Holy Boba Switch is really expensive Switch. I like it, I like the sound of it, but for me, I think it's really expensive to do a Boba U4 Silent as well as a Halo True Stem. I personally like the Pewters for daily use. If I had Holy Bobas, I would use it as a secondary board. The Boba U4T is like a good all-around deep thought tactile. I think it's a longer stem too. It's solid, so I think I would go for that. I agree. Yeah, I think that's it. Ooh. Hopefully you had fun. Hopefully you learned something. My light died. I've been streaming for too long.